In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in Canva. If you've got a clip that runs a little too long, or you just want to cut off some extra footage at the end, trimming in Canva is quick and precise. Start with your video open in the Canva editor, so you can see it on the canvas and the timeline running along the bottom of the screen. That timeline is where the magic happens. When your clip is selected, you'll notice its bar on the bottom, with edges you can grab. To trim, move your cursor to the end of the clip on the timeline until you see the resize handle appear. Click and drag it to the left side to trim the video. As you pull that edge inward, you're cutting off the portion you don't need from the end. Watch the duration indicator update as you drag. This helps you land on a specific length. If you're aiming for a precise moment, first place the playhead where you want the video to stop, then drag the edge to meet it. This gives you a clean, accurate trim. Take a moment to preview your change by pressing play. If the cut feels a bit too tight, don't worry. Trimming here is non-destructive. You can simply drag that edge back to the right to restore any part you trimmed away. And if you make a bigger change than intended, use undo to step back. For finer control, zoom into the timeline so small adjustments are easier to see. You can also scrub with the playhead and listen for audio cues, or watch for visual transitions to decide exactly where the video should end. If the clip has music or dialogue, trimming right after a natural pause often produces a smoother result. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Make sure the correct clip is highlighted before you trim, especially if your project has multiple layers. Keep an eye on the thumbnail preview that appears as you drag. It shows the exact frame you're trimming to. And remember, trimming only affects the selected clip on the timeline, not your original source file. Once you're happy with the new ending, play the section one more time from a few seconds earlier to confirm the pacing feels right. That's all there is to it. On the bottom timeline, drag the end of your clip to the left to trim and refine your video quickly and cleanly in Canva.